how to manually add child or family members. Welcome. Let's start by navigating to the Families module. Remember that typically families add themselves when they register online, and you simply review and approve. Also, for one-time bulk importing of families, see our How to Import Your Data training video. To add a family or child manually and individually, begin by clicking the plus icon in the top left to expand the information box for entry. Fill in the family details, such as the last name and email of the primary caregiver. In the Members section, include the first and last name of the primary caregiver. Use the Relationship dropdown to select the appropriate option. Select the caregiver's status, such as legal guardian or non-guardian emergency contact. Typically, a parent is set as a legal guardian by default. Decide the level of pickup authorization, full, limited, or none. Choose limited for caregivers with access on specific days, like Fridays, or none if they have no pickup privileges, preventing selection during sign-in or sign-out. Add a phone number. You can click Create to finalize adding the family member or continue to enter children's details. You might choose to add the family first, then return to input child details later. To add a child, click the new symbol beside Students. This opens fields for the child's first name, optional middle name, last name, date of birth, and gender. Once all fields are filled, click Create. If any required details are missing, you'll be prompted to complete them before adding the family and child to the system. You can now access and edit details, including child registration, which is discussed in another video. To view or add more children, click the family name. Let's examine an existing family file. Under the Family tab, view all listed children, parents, or guardians. Select a child's name to scroll down and view or add details like a health card number. The Immunization section is for uploading vaccination records provided by parents. Use the Medication section for adding required medications. Parents can manage this via the app. Allergies and medical conditions, such as food allergies or asthma, will appear here. In the Special Needs section, parents can input specific needs their child has. Meal restrictions are shown next. Always click Save after making changes. To add more children, click the Student Plus sign at the top and follow the same information entry steps. Add any family members authorized for pickup or drop-off to the family file. Let's add another family member. Click the Member Plus sign and enter their first and last names. Select the Relationship dropdown to define the caregiver's relationship with the child. The primary toggle is for the main portal member. The primary caregiver can access and modify the child's file via the app. Only one primary is allowed, usually a parent. Toggle portal member for app access. Once enabled, the member can view basic information without financial details. An email is needed for portal access. Enable the Authorized Sponsor toggle for members responsible for paying fees. Payments are accepted only from authorized sponsors. In the Authorization section, confirm the caregiver's pickup rights. Choose the appropriate status from the drop-down menu. Options include legal guardian, typically a parent or primary caregiver. Choose non-guardian for emergency contacts like grandparents or an aunt. For others, like babysitters, select Other. In the Pickup Access dropdown, define pickup rights, full, limited to specific days like Fridays, or none. None means the member cannot pick up the child, despite being listed as a guardian. Use the flag toggle for members with limited or no child access. This makes their profile visible in red as a warning to staff when they pick up. Staff can then click in and view pickup authorization notes. Enable the Authorized to Volunteer toggle for parent volunteers with submitted documents. Enter the member's address, phone number, and email. Add work details if needed. Parents can also update this themselves via their portal. Click Create to save the new member's information. To edit member details or access, use this section. Parents can update payment info for pre-authorized debit or credit card once connected. Access payment details by clicking the member's name, then the Payment tab. Only authorized sponsors can add payment info. Members can opt for pre-authorized credit card payments by providing their bank name, institution number, transit number, and account number. Refer to the applicable guide for more details. To delete a member, go to their profile, click the three dots, and choose Delete. Admin must approve any changes made by portal members to their or their child's profiles. In the Info Changes tab, track changes like new medication or updated contact details. Member changes cover address or name updates. Member payment changes show updates to payment methods. Student info changes include name or address updates and new medical info. This concludes the Family or Child Edition training. For bulk family one-time additions via a spreadsheet, watch the training video in the Setup folder titled Import Users.